Apple iPhones are among the world's most popular smartphones today. It has a 55% market share as 2021 approaches, making it one of the planet's most valuable publicly traded corporations. With that said, there's a high chance you've also been reliant on your iPhone regularly. You, like the majority of iPhone users, like the device's efficiency, which you almost always experience. Getting into a reboot loop is one of the most common issues with the iPhone. After updating iOS 14, 13, 12, and 15, many users are reporting iPhone reboot issues. Malware or a defective update has been known to cause the iPhone to get stuck in a startup loop. The device will be reset instead of starting, with the Apple logo flashing on the screen. Fortunately, we will present the most effective solution for an iPhone stuck in a restart loop in this video, so you may continue to use your smartphone. The initial thing you need to do if your iPhone is stuck at reboot function is force restarting it. This method almost clears out any system glitches. An ordinary reboot will refresh your settings and system data. It will also not erase or lose any files you have on your iPhone. To know how to perform the reboot of the feature on your iPhone device, follow these steps. The first step is to press then quickly release the volume up button on your device. After that, do the same process on the volume down function. Simultaneously, while holding the volume down, press and hold the power button of your device. Do this until the Apple logo appears on your screen. After a few seconds, the device will restart. If the error persists, move on the next solution presented on this video. iTunes is a media player, media library, and mobile device management application. It may be used to rip songs from CDs and play content using Dynamic Smart Playlist. It was developed by Apple Incorporation and is used to purchase, play, download, and organize digital media on personal computer. Despite this, iTunes is a well-known recovery tool. Find out the solution and how to repair an iPhone stuck in the reboot with iTunes. If your device turns on but refuses to boot up, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then open iTunes on Mac running macOS Mojave or earlier version or on a PC. Then on your computer, look for your device. Follow this step while your device is connected. Press and immediately release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then hold down the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. When the option to restore or update appears, select Update. Without wiping your data, your computer will attempt to reinstall iOS versions. The software of your device will be downloaded to your computer. Your smartphone will exit recovery mode if it takes more than 15 minutes. Using a third-party tool is one of the most effective ways to save your iPhone. Astinker iOS System Recovery is the finest tool for resolving this issue. This app was designed to resolve this and other iOS system difficulties, such as an iPhone stuck on emergency SOS, no service, failed to restart, and more. Regardless of the situation with your iPhone, this tool allows you to restore your iOS system easily and quickly. The guide later on this video will show you how to use Astinker iOS System Recovery to solve an iPhone stuck in a reboot loop. On your web search engine, go to the www.astinker.com/iOS-system-recovery. Wait for its web page to reload. Once you are on its web page, hit the download button presented on its interface. Then, wait until the download process is completed. Open the file once the download process is finished. Run the installation prompt and wizards to install the app fully. Connect your iOS device to your computer with your USB cable in the next step. Wait until the tool recognizes your iPhone before selecting iOS System Recovery and pressing the Start button. Choose the repair mode you want to employ from this menu. If you don't want to risk losing your current data on your iPhone, choose Standard mode. And if you are willing to risk losing your data, choose Advanced mode. After you've decided which mode to use, press the Confirm button. The iOS recovery tool will automatically search for the appropriate firmware for your device after you touch the Confirm button. Select the most compatible firmware for your device and save it by clicking the download icon. Wait for the firmware to finish downloading before clicking Repair iOS System to fix your device. And that's it. That's the 3 ways on how to fix iPhone stuck on Reboot Loop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.